welcome to our mini cooking vlog, and we are the Salvation Boys. We were teaching you how to cook pinalatan, the chicken version. Happy watching! First thing that we can do, get some pomelo leaves from your neighbor even if it's raining. Remove the hard part in the middle of the pomelo leaves. After removing it, slice it thinly, lengthwise, and then add the chicken meat. Cut it into small cubes. After you cut the chicken, add the onion. Cut it into any size. And then add the ginger. Cut it into small pieces or whatever you like. The same goes from the garlic. Any size you like, it's okay. Like that. Wow, magic. Ganda, diba? And now, let's put the magic pot in. Heat it for at least 30 seconds, then add the little oil, and let's just wait for the oil to heat up. And when the oil is hot, add the ginger. Okay, let's mix and add the garlic. Mix again. And then, let's wait. And finally, the onion. And wait for the aroma to come out. Let's mix first. Waiting for the aroma. And then, add the chicken. And mix it. Okay. Let's mix. And then the Ajinomoto from Uncle Bert and the salt from the neighbor, and mix it again. And wait. Even if there's a typhoon in our country, we will cook pinalatan. And this is the most important chili, the one of our favorite in Cordillera, the sagket. Let's mix first. Okay. And finally, the pomelo leaves. Mix it for a few minutes and our pinalatan is already cooked. And there you have it, my friends. It's cooked. Yum, yum, yum. Our pinalatan is ready to eat. Okay. Nice one. And thank you for watching our video. Bye guys. For the first bite daw. Wala nang intro, bahala na. Basta may project. Thank you. Ayan na po yung pinalatan namin, no. Ayan na po. Diba? Masarap po yan. Sarap pampulutan. Wala ka nang ibang hahanapin. Wow.